You paying me for this?
No. I'm just gonna take out the car so that we can get the other one out. So hey guys, this is a whole new format, but for Heroes Day my family and I decided to go to country in Clarendon, so this is that vlog. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. So we just leave out now to go to where? Clarendon. Like way up in the mountains, and we're gonna be taking you guys for the ride, and Bila is here with us. Officially in Clarendon now. Our first stop, and it's in somebody wants the water and so like right now we are in Chapeltown. Let's go. We're about to take a few pics up there.
Wait, this is the entrance.
Probably. First stop.
I'm pretty sure we're the only ones in the actual town.
Yeah. Town is pretty empty. I don't really even need the mask on, but yeah, this is Chapeltown. Yeah, guys, make sure you catch this in the background, you know, so you know we're out here in Chapeltown and thing, and you know, yeah.
Very historical.
It's a history. Actually, this was the first capital of Clarendon, and then they changed it to Jamaica. Come take up a picture. So.
Wait.
Come back.
Is it good now?
Yeah, it's supposed to be good.
Are you taking pictures?
No.
Oh, it's pretty.
Just video.
Yeah.
Wait, don't come over me.
What?
Come over me, Mila.
You're no longer my best
Alright,
friend.
come.
No.
Come on.
No. That's the moment passed. 1914 to 1918.
What we're going on then? To the glory of God and the memory of the sons of Clarendon who died in the Great War.
The Great War. Oh my gosh. Probably it's because
It's kind of hot, I mean.
that's where the milk comes from.
Just stop to take in the view.
Wow.
What? Oh yeah, you can see some farmland over there. Let me see how much I can zoom in.
Whoa. It's better.
Oh yeah, you can see I'm like over at the side. We're gonna have to take. That's what I was telling you. It's a nice view.
Let's see how far down it is.
Oh, you got your stand on it?
Almost there.
It's actually almost there. We're pretty close. Yeah. Okay, and just like that, pretty much just like that, we're at country now.
Ugh.
You didn't see it?
That's dinner.
What?
Nothing. No, that's dinner.
That's kind of dark, man. You're gonna get cancelled.
I said, don't leave me. Y'all left me down there.
You see it now?
Oh my gosh, I never know that them do it quick.
Yeah, just chop out.
Oh my gosh.
Basically, they just chopped off the chicken's head a while ago.
I just witnessed
Because they're like killing
murder.
some chickens over here.
KFC don't do that, right?
So what we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be going to our old house in the bushes. So this is the first thing that we're gonna do. By the way, guys, don't mind the shirt that I have on right now.
Don't mind mine, I don't.
Yeah, it's just like quote unquote bush clothes.
It's the country fit.
Yeah.
Funny.
Look. It's literally harassing its mommy.
So it's
Right now, waiting to go out. But yeah, it's either we're gonna ride a donkey or we're gonna go to the old house
I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm actually excited to see her ride the donkey.
To see me.
Yeah, because I'm not going on it.
You're not going on it?
I'm not going on it. No way.
Bila said.
Why are you eating the bun dry?
When you're hungry,
You don't feel like you're choking? You're not even drinking anything?
Nope.
No, so I'm scared of you.
Feeling the pressure, the rumbling, grumbling, I need.
Bila said that them putting on that on the donkey like.
It's waist trainer, so it's
Like a waist trainer.
yeah.
Got no way to get away. Chasing the world to be better than anyone ever, and we'll never stop.
You want to ride bicycle?
Alright, Shanti.
Oh gosh, I'm not.
Alright, so what's up there now? Yeah, so she kind of.
Shanti is a pro. Shanti is a pro.
Stronger, nothing that you can say. No way to get away. Chasing the world to be better than anyone ever, and we'll never stop. Here we ain't nothing gonna stop. Here we you know we're taking over to the top, to the top. Here we you better grab your weapons. Ain't nothing gonna stop.
So you know, I'm just here on my mode of transportation daily, you know, this is very, very sustainable. I really think that this is like in honor of Heritage Day. You know, we should all just take this mode of transportation for a few hours maybe. You know, to our daily commutes and whatnot and such and such.
What not? I feel for this donkey right now. It's it's like climbing a whole hill with me.
So we're approaching the stop now to go around to the house.
But we're taking it higher, catching your breath. You're trying your best, but you know that we're stronger.
Oh. You know?
Got our rides done. Honestly, it was smoother than I expected at the start, but it was a rough start.
Yeah, it was so rocky because I was just like, and then a car passed and I was so that was so scary.
Be like, you get enough like look at jitter.
Yeah. You did rocky.
One be long. I am bagging. Wait, how did the donkey reach on me? Oh, it went in there.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm running out of road. Oh my gosh, that was a spider.
Go on, Bila. Don't drop. You go in the water? Alright, go on.
I have to.
Yeah, let off it then. Oh! One day. Massa. Alright, it's better up there past here, so.
Nope.
Gosh. Yeah. Watch out, Bila. Yeah, I'm helping her. Yeah. Come, Bila.
Wait, you can't go fast.
What?
Oh my glove. Oh my glove.
Go on.
Oh my glove. It's floating.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh my god, it's floating.
I don't want to change.
Okay, wait. Time to get cooking.
Watch out, you're putting on the water, Bila.
Was it worth it?
Look at my shoes. Mud.
Oh gosh, Shamar. That's the end of the line. If you drop down there, that's it. Does it? Oh my gosh, I can't even see a path. Shamar, I see why you have no friends.
I remember this open field.
Ready.
Move to the house that we're aiming to go, and on the meet. Yeah, we can walk around.
What?
Well, no, we can't go inside. That's kind of like a haunted house.
It's kind of a haunted house.
It looks, no, I'm saying it looks like one.
Looks like one in a movie.
So all of that journey just to be here, guys. We all get cane. What? Yeah.
What's inside?
What's inside? Oh, you want to go up to that entrance? That's what's inside. Got a bag of what? Citrus?
Lemons.
Lemons and lime.
Lemons.
And lime.
Lemons.
And lime. Hold the squeeze video.
I can't even hold anything. My hands are dirty. Do you want something right here for your thumbnail?
Oh yeah, I guess we can do that, yes. Okay, so we're gonna be going down now.
It's so cool. Honestly.
Alright, so we're back, and as you can see, we're in a change of clothes. Back in the original clothes that we had on, because now we're about to leave. From that chick, go around to the old house. Jeez, that took up so much energy. So
Honestly just...
there's a faithful donkey.
I'm saying I actually feel bad because like...
But yeah, guys, that's going to end off the vlog right here, you know, because I'm getting tired. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and feel free to like, feel free to comment something, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching Shamar Crossfield.
Look, we met up on Friends. And another donkey.
I made it out of donkey. I'm gonna lie though. It's not nice with the background.
Wearing
My shirt.
okay, don't put that in there.
Don't put it in there.
No.
We'll see.